Oh, hello there again, it's Jock here again in Scotland. And I'm quite sure a lot of you Scots out here all over the world will remember this old song. And I bet you even remember the words. Oh, you can't shove your granny off the bus. Oh, you can't shove your granny off the bus. Oh, you can't shove your granny 'cause she's your daddy's mammy. You can't sing your granny off the bus. Singing I will if you will, so will I. Singing I will if you will, so will I. Singing I will if you will, I will if you will, I will if you will, so will I. You can shove your Uncle Wullie off the bus. You can shove your Uncle Wullie off the bus. Uncle Wullie's like your father, a harum-scarum blether. You can shove your Uncle Wullie off the bus. Singing I will if you will, so will I. Singing I will if you will, so will I. Singing I will if you will, I will if you will. Singing I will if you will, so will I. Oh, you can't shove your Auntie Maggie off the bus. Oh, you can't shove your Auntie Maggie off the bus. Auntie Maggie's your father's sister, she's nothing but a twister. You can't shove old Maggie off the bus. Oh, you can't shove your granny off the bus. Oh, you can't shove your granny off the bus. Oh, you can't shove your granny 'cause she's your mammy's mammy. You can't shove your granny off the bus. Singing I will if you will, so will I. Singing I will if you will, so will I. Singing I will if you will, I will if you will. Singing I will if you will, so will I. Ah, there you go. Used to sing all the time when you were going out in the school buses, you know, away for a trip. Or maybe if you were going away to work in the morning to the tatty fields. Everybody used to have a sing-song when you were going to tatty fields or when you were coming home for the tatty picking. Aye, not just some of the songs that you would sing, you know. Well, I'll write down the lyrics there so that when you know you can sit and practice it, you can. And then you'll not be a wee bit thief, you know. Folk will say, they ken all these Scottish songs here, Jimmy. And you go, aye, nae bother. And then that'll be you. So, I will if you will, so will I. And I will if you will, so will I. And I will if you will, I will. I'll see ye when I see ye, when I see ye. Toodaloo the noo.